Unboxing with Spark Crystals Rocks. The raw stones. Blue celestite. Black obsidian. Sodalite. Smoky quartz. Raw rutile. Chrysocolla palmstones. Labradorite nine-tailed fox. Can you spot the flash on it? Cute palm-size labradorite freeform. Yes, and there's more. Raw rainbow moonstones with nice flash and natural shapes. This dragon head is resting perfectly on the moonstone. Completely white raw moonstone is hard to find. Guess what is this crystal? They are called unicorn. Find out more about this unicorn crystals in another video. Hope you liked the unboxing. Are there any crystals in this video spark your attention? Yes? Visit Spark Crystals Rocks Instagram for new crystals and updates.